Hey, today I'll be making my spicy fried chicken. Okay, this is what you need. You need some all-purpose flour, you need some buttermilk. You can use any kind of chicken that you would like. And I start by dipping my chicken into the buttermilk, pulling it out. I use chipotle chili peppers. Sprinkle it on top of your chicken. I also use hot Mexican style chili peppers. Flip it over. A little bit on each side. Then you put it into your flour. Okay, sorry I had to change camera angle so you'll be able to see this. But now that you got your chicken all floured up, you put it in the pan. Make sure your pan's hot. Scrape it off. Gonna make a mess. It's fried chicken. You just repeat into the buttermilk, out. Keep letting that cook till it's golden brown. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to make spicy gravy for your fried chicken. Take a saucepan and add chicken broth. Then you're going to add hot Mexican style chili pepper. Chili powder, the same one that we use for the fried chicken. You're gonna do half a teaspoon. You're also gonna do half a teaspoon of chipotle chili powder. You're also gonna do 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm actually going to do 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Whisk this up. We're going to add an 1/8 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to mix it up. And then we're going to turn our heat on. We're gonna turn it on medium. And we're just gonna whisk and get it all good and mixed in. I'm gonna turn the heat up. It's a little bit above medium. You wanna see it start getting a little bit thicker. You need to kind of stick to the side. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back down to medium. And we're gonna add our heavy cream. You're gonna add 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And then you're gonna wait till it gets thick. And then you're gonna turn the heat off, keep whisking, and then you're ready. Okay, when you get all those bubbles on the side, and it's getting thick, it's not really runny anymore, you turn your heat off, just keep whisking for a minute. And that's it, amazing spicy gravy for your fried chicken. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it too. Like and subscribe for more.